Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Thanks for stopping by for another episode here at alliseeisW, where we talk about stocks, crypto, and finance. In today's video, we'll be doing a deep dive analysis on Opendoor Technologies, ticker Open. We'll also be doing technical analysis, price predictions of Open, what's the outlook in the coming weeks, the rest of 2025. Is there upside in investing into Opendoor Technologies? Now, if you're new to this channel, first off, I'm so thrilled that you're here. I would really appreciate you hitting the like, subscribing for more related content. Let's begin, guys. Eric Jackson posts today. There you have it, folks. In fact, we heard it from inverse Jim Cramer. He's saying Opendoor is a meme stock. We've heard about Palantir. Cramer called Palantir a meme stock at one point. What has happened since? We're seeing Palantir become one of the greatest companies out there right now with respect to time. So, given that inverse Cramer is saying this is looking very bullish from my perspective. Let's take a look at a post from Antonio. He's saying open previous resistance now support. Hourly RSI is telling us something, right? What are we seeing with the RSI on the hourly oversold situation? And just with today, we got in the oversold situation. Current price hovering in a bull flag. Are we going to break out? Now it's right at that threshold of $4. How high can it go? Will it continue to hold support here? It'll be interesting to see how things play out. We'll be going through technicals as well. Antonio Post is open. I'm seeing a lot of newbies shorting the stock here. Keep in mind the announcement of a new CEO is around the corner. Plus, stock is heavily shorted. You are playing with fire. Don O'Dean posts his technical analysis. He's saying price targets 587, 813. Open continues to work with a widening wedge and is currently at support, currently holding at support today. If we move lower, next level of support is $3. Price targets are 587 to challenge local highs and then $8.13 at the golden ratio. So what he has predicted in this visual is that potentially tomorrow, August 28 onward, we may have a bounce up where it may retest the prior resistance of 580, and then we may very well launch into $8.13. Eric Jackson posts Drake videos now with 1.5 million impressions in 8 days. Every day, more than non-CNBC types hear about investing in the stock market. They hear about Open and what a great opportunity it is. Some of them will look into it more and get hooked into investing for the rest of their lives on the hunt for 100 baggers. It's all good and right. And hopefully Drake buys a share and gets hooked himself. God sent me here to teach him that it's time for him to start doing this too. Eric Jackson also posted previously, Open isn't a meme stock, it's a quote stock. Big difference. Meme stocks burn out, quote stocks compound. Tesla was a quote stock, $12 in 2019, $321 this morning. Palantir was a quote stock, $5 to $180. That's the lane we're in. Or as Drake put it, know yourself, know your worth. Let's now talk about technical analysis of Opendoor Technologies. So, what are we seeing? Yes, back in July, it had a big run up top. RSI was overbought 95. It cooled off. Price was, going through this cup and handle formation. And, just recently we had RSI at 76 when it got to, 560 during the day. It dropped. RSI is cooling off where it's currently at 60. Question is, will we see a reversal happen? It may very well happen. However, the bulls will need to remain strong. We definitely need to see a reversal pattern. Otherwise, we may very well see price, reach the support at 350. Again, one of the key things that's looking positive is, the prior resistance is now the support at $4. I think we're going to see some consolidation here before that next leg up. It may very well be possible starting tomorrow, we may very well see a nice run up, and that will drive lots of excitement where we're going to have a lot more inflows into Open. And for those reasons, you know, we may very well see the price start gapping up. But I do think that as we head into, September, we may very well early on, see this get into the double-digit share price range. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed another episode. Let me know what your predictions are for open, what you're doing right now. Are you buying a dip? Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you on the next one. Take care.